If you're about to buy a gas truck in 2026, stop right there, because choosing the wrong engine could cost you thousands, and only one is actually worth your money. The truck market right now is more confusing than ever. You've got turbocharged engines replacing V8s, new emissions rules changing designs, and manufacturers pushing numbers that look great on paper. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most of those engines are not built for long-term ownership. Some are designed to hit fuel economy targets, some are built to impress with horsepower figures, and some are just cheaper to produce. But very few are actually engineered to last under real truck use. So the real question is simple. Which gas truck engine can you actually trust? After looking at real-world data, long-term ownership reports, mechanic feedback, and how these engines are actually built, one engine clearly stands above everything else in 2026. And just as important, there are 3 types of engines you should seriously avoid. Let's start with the one that actually matters. If you want proven durability, real-world performance, and an engine you can keep for years without constant headaches, the answer is clear. The Ford 7.3-liter Godzilla V8. This engine powers heavy-duty trucks like the Super Duty lineup, and it represents something that's becoming rare today, an engine built for longevity first, not just efficiency or emissions. And that's exactly why it stands out. First, simplicity that actually matters. While most modern engines are packed with turbos, sensors, and complex systems, the 7.3 is naturally aspirated. That means no turbochargers to fail, no intercoolers to leak, and far fewer components that can break over time. And here's something most people don't realize. Many long-term engine failures today don't come from the engine itself. They come from all the extra complexity around it. The Godzilla avoids that completely. Second, its pushrod design is a huge advantage. Some people call it old school, but in reality it's one of the reasons this engine is so durable. It has fewer moving parts than overhead cam engines, a more compact structure, and a design that has proven reliable for decades. This isn't outdated, it's refined for strength. Third, it delivers torque where it actually matters. Truck owners don't need high revving horsepower. They need pulling power at low RPM. Whether you're towing, hauling, or driving uphill, this engine delivers strong low-end torque without stressing itself. That means better performance and longer life, and that's where most modern engines fall short. Fourth, this engine is built to handle real abuse. The 7.3 Godzilla wasn't designed for short bursts of performance or light-duty driving. It was built specifically for heavy-duty use. That means a strong cast iron block, reinforced internal components, and a cooling system designed to handle continuous load without breaking down. And that's a big deal, because a lot of modern engines are optimized for efficiency, not endurance. They perform well in short situations, but under constant stress, towing, hauling, long drives, they wear out faster. This one is different. It's built to take punishment and keep going. Fifth, lower long-term ownership cost. This is where things really separate. Because there are no turbos and less complexity, maintenance is simpler and cheaper. Fewer expensive parts to replace. Fewer things that can fail. And when something does need fixing, it's usually easier to repair. Over 5 to 10 years, that makes a massive difference, often more than fuel savings ever will. So when you look at the full picture, durability, performance, and cost, the conclusion is simple. If you're buying a gas truck in 2026 and you actually plan to keep it, this is the smartest choice you can make. Now let's talk about what you should avoid. Because picking the wrong engine doesn't just affect performance, it hits your wallet hard. First, small turbocharged 4-cylinder truck engines. On paper, they look impressive. Good horsepower, strong torque numbers, and better fuel economy ratings. But in real-world truck use, they tell a very different story. The problem is simple, they're overworked. A small 4-cylinder engine has to move a heavy truck, handle towing, and operate under constant load. To make that possible, manufacturers rely heavily on turbocharging, and that creates serious issues. First, high internal stress. Turbo boost increases pressure and heat inside the engine. Over time, that leads to faster wear and higher chances of failure. Second, turbocharger wear. Turbos add complexity. Bearings wear out, heat affects oil quality, and components like intercoolers and piping can fail. And when a turbo goes bad, it's not cheap. In fact, turbo-related repairs are some of the most expensive issues truck owners face. Third, real-world fuel economy. Under load, these engines often lose their efficiency advantage. When towing or hauling, they stay in boost, burn more fuel, and don't deliver the savings you expect. So while they might be fine for light driving, they're not built for real truck work. and that's why you should avoid them. Second, high-output turbo V6 engines. These have become extremely popular, especially in half-ton trucks. They deliver strong performance, quick acceleration, and impressive torque numbers. But there's a hidden downside: complexity. Most of these engines use twin turbo setups. That means more components, more heat, and more things that can go wrong over time. And heat is a serious issue. Turbocharged engines generate a lot of it, which affects oil quality, cooling systems, and internal wear. Over time, this can lead to carbon buildup, reduced efficiency, and shorter engine life. Then comes maintenance. As these engines age, costs start to rise. Turbo replacements, fuel system issues, carbon cleaning, it all adds up quickly. A lot of owners report great performance when the truck is new, but after higher mileage, repairs become more frequent and more expensive compared to simpler engines. So if you upgrade your truck every few years, this might not matter. But if you plan to keep it long-term, this is a risky choice. Third, V8 engines with cylinder deactivation. This sounds like a smart feature. The engine shuts down some cylinders under light load to save fuel, but it comes at a cost. These systems rely on complex components like special lifters, oil control systems, and electronic management. That means more failure points, and the problems are well known. Lifter failures, camshaft damage, oil system issues, these aren't small repairs. They can be expensive and sometimes catastrophic. On top of that, constantly switching between modes can create uneven wear and long-term reliability concerns. Many mechanics consider this one of the most problematic features in modern engines. Some owners even disable it just to avoid issues. So even though you might save a bit on fuel, the long-term risks usually outweigh the benefits. Now here's what actually matters when choosing a truck engine in 2026. It's not about the highest horsepower or the best numbers on paper. What matters is simplicity, lower stress, and proven design. Engines that are simpler tend to last longer, cost less to maintain, and are easier to fix. Engines that run cooler and handle load without pushing limits maintain better reliability over time. And torque at low RPM will always matter more than peak horsepower in real truck use. So when you put everything together, the answer becomes very clear. In a market full of complex and over-engineered options, one engine stands out by doing the basics better than anything else. The Ford 7.3-liter Godzilla V8. It delivers durability, real-world performance, lower ownership cost, and long-term confidence. While others chase efficiency and specs, this one focuses on what actually matters. And that's why in 2026 it's not just a good option. It's the only gas truck engine truly worth buying.